Welcome to this session for overcoming claustrophobia. Please make sure you're in a nice, comfortable position and that you will not be disturbed for the duration of this session. Allow your eyes to close and take a nice, deep breath in. And as you exhale, begin to imagine the worst time you ever experienced claustrophobia. Whenever it was, just imagine it right now. And with this memory in hand, I'd like for you to imagine that you are sitting in front of an old television. It's only able to produce a picture in black and white. And imagine yourself sitting there in front of this TV. And as you watch, you see this memory begin to play in black and white. You can hear a little sound, but the TV is not too loud. And as you watch this memory go by, you are just an observer. It is a distant memory in the past. The memory has come to the end. So imagine that you can hit the rewind button. And when you do, you see the memory playing back very quickly, all the way to the beginning. And this time when you hit play, there is no sound at all. And watch this memory of being claustrophobic play out on this old tiny TV screen. There is no sound, just a faded picture. When the memory has come to an end, press stop